Number 21, we have a binomial times a binomial. So we need to distribute each piece through, or basically make sure that we are shaking hands, as I like to say. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times the 4i is 8i. Now the negative 5i times 3 would be minus 15i. And negative 5i times a positive 4, well, negative 5 times positive 4 is negative 20. I times I is I squared. Now remember, I is simply worth the square root of negative 1. So when I have I squared, square root of negative 1 times square root of negative 1, which is negative 1. So this is worth negative 1. That's going to change that to plus 20, just the number plus 20. So I now can put the 6 and the 20 together, which gives me 26. 8i minus 15i is minus 7i, and I have my answer. I'm done. Please remember, real number part first, imaginary number part second for complex numbers. So we'll put the number up front and then the imaginary part in the back. So here I have 4 times 2, distributing through 8. 4 times that, minus 12i. Negative 5i times that, minus 10i. And then what do we have? Let's see, negative 5i times negative plus 15i squared. We just said in the last video, or the last one we just probably did. I squared means square root of negative 1 times square root of negative 1, which is negative 1. That's going to change that to a minus 15. So now putting my numbers together, 8 minus 15 is negative 7. Lose 12i, lose 10i, minus 22i. And there we have the answer. Again, real number part first, imaginary number part second. And our final problem for this worksheet, 1 times 2, distributing through 2. 1 times 9i, 9i. 3i times 2, 6i. And 3i times that plus 27i squared. So we just said I squared we know is worth negative 1, so that's like minus a 27 right there. 2 minus 27 is negative 25. There's our real number part first, and now our imaginary part, 9i and 6i, 15i, and we are done.